Well, hey guys, how y'all doing? And welcome back to the channel. My name's David and I fix RVs. And today I've got a little contest going to see which one of these two batteries can run my Live Walney heater gun the longest. I've got a 20 volt 5 amp hour Dewalt battery in this heater gun. And then I've got an 8 amp hour Knockoff battery in the other heater gun. I paid $150 for a 2-pack of the 5 amp hour batteries, and I paid $30 for a 2-pack of these 8 amp hour batteries. And this heater gun here is designed to run on Dewalt batteries and or, knockoff batteries. And we're going to figure out which one of these two batteries can run my heater gun the longest. So let's get started. Well, holy crap, I didn't really see that coming. I mean, I fully expected this 5 amp hour Dewalt battery to last a little bit longer. I didn't think it was going to go twice as long though, because it does say 8 amp hours right on this battery. But since this battery went twice as long, I say this one went almost 20 minutes, this one went 10 minutes. That means we're looking at about 2.5 to 3 amp hours on this supposedly 8 amp hour battery. But before you hang up, don't forget that this is a $15 battery, and I will have information down in the description on where you can get yourself one of these if you're on a budget. But if you're not on a budget and you want to get yourself an American-made Dewalt battery, I am affiliated with these guys. I do have Amazon affiliate links in the description, and I can make a little bit of money off of that if you go down there and buy yourself one. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope this video was helpful, and we'll see you next time.